Okay, so the pod is right now floating in midair. We have the crane on the ceiling there holding it up. So we're just getting ready to put the trailer underneath. The trailer is going to come in from right over here, and it looks like we have enough space to get it in. And then we're going to take it out. We're going to take it out on the patio here. It's kind of a big patio to call it a patio, but it's on the gravel. We're all loaded up. We just took the mold pieces off this morning, so you can see the line there. That's where the molds were all the way around. So this is just taken off. It's a little bit scuffed up, but that should just polish right off pretty easily. And we'll just shine it up, make it a little bit nicer, and get it ready for the big show next week. This is actually going to be an interesting kind of piece. It's going to be hanging from the travel lift, which is what we use to move all the big stuff around onto the water. So it's going to be hanging there for the show. So you'll see this huge SeaPod floating over the land on the way from the factory down to the marina. This trailer is actually made for boats, so it'll be able to carry the weight, but it's not really the right size because it's made to carry a boat hull, which is, pretty long and curved down like that, like V-shaped, and we're not V-shaped, and we're not long like that. So I'm sure we'll find a way to make it work. I don't think we've ever used this trailer for anything before, though. So, but the trailer's looks like it has a pretty flexible system where you can move things around and adjust them. So it's pretty customizable, it looks like. I just hope it's very customizable. Looks like it's all loaded up and supported by these additional pieces here at the front. I didn't know that they would come up like that, so that gives us a lot more support than I was thinking we'd have. Those wheels, though, are really low to the ground. Should be okay on the gravel here, but it's a lot of weight we're putting on them. I assume that they're really, really hard rubber.